Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nuketown on Call of Duty Warzone. First, launch the game and head to the main menu. From there, you'll want to select the play option to see the available game modes. Look for the Resurgence playlist, which typically features smaller, faster-paced maps. Within that playlist, select Rebirth Island, as this is where you'll find the Nuketown experience. It's a quick way to jump into the action. Now that you've selected Rebirth Island, it's time to deploy. As soon as you're in the pre-game lobby or dropping from the plane, open your tactical map. You'll easily spot Nuketown Island, a distinct area on the map, usually located on the eastern side. Mark this location as your drop point. Aim to land directly on the island to secure early control and engage in intense close-quarters combat right away. Once you've landed on Nuketown Island, immediate action is key. Focus on securing the central bus and the two main houses for cover and strategic positions. These buildings offer excellent verticality and sightlines across the small area. Be mindful of enemy players, as this location is a hot drop and engagements are constant. Quickly gather armor plates and any weapons you find to prepare for the rapid-fire battles ahead. Teamwork is crucial here. To truly master Nuketown Island, focus on close-quarters combat. Submachine guns and shotguns are highly effective in this tight space. Coordinate with your squad for synchronized pushes and clever flanks to overwhelm opponents. Don't forget to utilize tactical equipment, such as stun grenades or flashbangs, to disorient enemies before engaging. The gameplay here is incredibly fast-paced and intense, so staying agile and adapting quickly to changing situations will lead to more victories.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.